And here's number 12, sumisigsag na tapikan. And pinasa. 13, Liz, baget for 2. De Los Santos. Liz, nakalusot. Baget for 2, De Los Santos. Break. Sa gitna. Number 1, Domingo, basket and 1. Pass break. 2 1, tuloy-tuloy sa rin. Baget for 2. Down 4. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ocosur Intertown Semifinals para sa laban ng Candon at Santa Maria. X umatras di distansya, stop for 3, bar of the glass. Number 12 draws over between the legs, pass on the inside and posting up, pinasas pa sa gitna, stolen, and shot clock down to 14, bounce pass number 17, shot clock down to 10, pull up Jay, bagay at the free throw. And here's number 12, sumisigsag na tapikan. And pinasa kay number 13, Liz, baget for 2. Number 12 for setting the play. For Team Candon, sa 3, short. And the rebound for Team Santa Maria, natapikan. Stolen, number 12, pass break. 2-on-1 ang laban, tuloy-tuloy sa rim, baget for 2. Down. And number 14 for the recovery, drives to the hoops, Lace, no good. Oh! The follow-up. Number 20 versus number 22. Here's Lopez, di distansya. Atake sa gitna, the floater, no good. Rebound. And a pass break sa gitna. Number 1, Domingo, basket and 1. And here's Team Santa Maria. Shot clock. 10 seconds on the game clock. Ball is stolen for Candon. 1-on-1 with number 16, Lopez. This spins and fires. Na good. And tinignan pa yung guardia. And he pass. Oops. No basket. That's 6 score natin still. 19-point lead for Santa Maria. And here you go. And he spin, number 13, hook shot, pasok yan! And number 11, Lopez de la Rosa to the corner. He stops. Here's number 11, umatras. He stops sa 3, no good. Rebound, number 7, put back, baget for 2. The inbound, here's number 14, to Galsonte, no good. And it's number 11 to the rim, no good. Battle for the rebound. Floater shot of the glass, De La Rosa. And it's number 16, pinasa, 2 more short. And pinasa kay number 18 to the corner, sa 3, no good. Rebound, mapupunta sa Santa Maria, pass break. Gabisonte, pace back. Lopez with the ball. Lopez. Pass to the middle, De Los Santos. Oops, nakaway. And here you go. Ang bilis nun. Nakaginta. Time for the inbound. He pass into the middle. Number 18, fakes clutch 5. Baget for. And Gabisonte. Inararo. Oy! Backdoor inbound. Parang crab yun. Antolin. May bumagsak doon. Sa gitna. Fires. Wala. Hanggang layo naman nun, nasig pa yung bola. And here you go, Faitanen, wala. Fight for the rebound and all alone. Gabison and easy back. The ball. Number 29 sa gitna, De Los Santos pinilit, wala. Rebound, Faitain. Kicks out, wings 3, short. No bound. Number 18, kuhaan ko sa gilid sa 3. Rebound, De Los Santos, wala. And the long pass, pass break, binitbit, tinapboard pa. Pass break, binitbit, easy to Antoli. Here's De Los Santos, natapikan sa likod. Group sumiksag. Iniwan yung tatlo. Pinasa. Piup sa loob. Bakit for two? And here's Tim Candon. Natapikan na naman. To the rim. Easy two. It's number 7, De Los Santos. Liz, nakalusot. Bakit for two, De Los Santos. Feitain. Number 12, spins. Fix. Kicks on the corner. No look pass sa 3. Too strong. Rebound. De Los Santos with the finish. And Domingo. Here's Galzonte. Liz. Oh, bakit nakalusot. And here's Feitain. Feitain crossover. Pass on the inside. Wala pa rin. De Los Santos pretty space. Bakit for two. And crosses the mid lane. Feitain setting the play.
10 seconds game clock.
8 seconds on the game clock. Feitain. Drives. Pinilit. Sa loob. Libre short. 7 seconds shot clock. Bounce pass. Oh, yung gandang pasa. And a perfect. And it's number 11. It's alley-oop pass. No good. And it's a bit awan na recover. And 3-on-1. Alley-oop pass and a good finish. Number 16. Cross pass. Corner attack. Pass inside. Fix. Reverse layup. Bakit for two. And 16 sa 3, Domingo. Bang! Domingo! Feitain sa gitna. Fire. Bakit for 2. Number 16, Domingo again. Short. Rebound ko Wangko. And he spins. Stops. Straight space. Pinasa. Feitain. Binabitin. And 1. Bakit? And here's number 1, Domingo. Pass to corner, number 7, no good. Rebound, put back, wala. And a pass break. And Binit Beatles. Bakit for 2. For Tim Candon. And kicks out sa 3. Too strong, rebound. Sa gitna, floater shot. Bakit for 2, Lopez. Asa, kicks out. Galzonte. Spins, fires, short. Nagkatotoo na. In fires off the glass, Bakit for 2. Number 16. He stops, he pass to the corner. Sa 3. In and out. A rebound baseball pass. Nauna na. Feitain, easy 2. Lopez sa loob, kinaldagan, baseline, basok yan, inarap. Here's number 16. Number 30, Antolin. Number 16. Attacks, loses the ball, recover. Sa 3. No good. Rebound ngayon para sa team. Candon, pass break, nauna na. Ang bilis, sumalpo. And here's number 16 na tapikan. Na-recover. Number 13. Cosente fire. Oop. Recover. Sa 3, Santolin. Bang! And here's number 12. Feitain. Sa gitna. Kicks out. Fires. No good. Rebound putback. Wala pa rin. Long pass. Galzonte. Filipino step. Oh, pasok niya. And here you go. Spins. Feitain. Pinasa. Oh! Number 16. Looking for the clock. Shot clock down to 5. Drives. Please. Side. Basket and 1. Nag-flex pa. And here's Tim Candon. Long 2. Too strong. Number 16 for Team Santa Maria. Pinasa sa loob. Basket and 1. Antolin with the ball. Natapikan. Nagawan. Here's Lopez. Pinasa. Fix. De Los Santos create space. Too strong. Put back. Oop. No basket. No basket. And he pass. Number 18. Sa gitna, number 16, step back, fix. Sumegway, release, bucket is good. Oh! Sumegway, bounce pass. Number 15. Pass on the inside, natapikan. Naagaw, pass break ngayon. Antolin, binitbit. Easy to 5 seconds on the shot. Game clock, speaks. Lopez, bang at the buzzer. Here's Feitan. Feitain, pass on the inside. De Los Santos, Kumaldag fires. Bucket for 2. And here's number 18. 22. Domingo drives. Sa gitna, loses the ball. Recover by Antonin. Antolin, pinabitin. Oh, nagmegos sa taas. And here's number 26 sa tres. Banking, rebound, putback. Wala pa rin tips in. Wala pa rin rebound, putback. Pasok yan. And here's Antolin, crossover. Oh, nakalusot. Binitbit, Oy! Same move! And kumo-crossover, sumisin. Soup! Oh! Hook shot. And the long pass. Here's number 18 to the middle. Galsonte kicks out. Wild open for 3. Bang! 3. And is Galsoen. He loses the ball. Feitan stolen. Fires. Bucket is good. Feitan. He stops sa 3. Short. Rebound. Pinabitin. Pinasa. Fires. Off the glass. Kuwang. Number 22. Crossover. He attacks. Natapikan. Stolen. And all alone. Lopez. Easy 2. Wild open for 3. Short. Daughter. No good. Ooh. The corner. 10 on the shot clock. He attacks. Supalpal. And a pass break. Bitin pa. Lopez. Kicks out. Sa 3. Short. Rebound. Step back. Long 2. Bucket. Lopez. And here's number 5. Pinasa sa loob. Tie up. Bucket for 2. And 10 on the shot clock. He drives. Supalpal. Shot clock down to 7. Number 16 sa 3. Short, reverse layup, bucket. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Santa Maria.